Okay, well, hello everybody. Here we are on another trip. This is another 5-year YouTube channel anniversary trip. This is Maplewood State Park in Minnesota, in west central Minnesota, near the town of Pelican Rapids. This year I've been, this is my 5th year of my YouTube channel. I did 5 trips on that first year, and this is the 5th one. I've been doing each trip over again this year, and this is the final one anyways. And so anyways, we're here at Maplewood State Park. This is the 5th trip, and let's take a look at this campsite in the state park. This is the Knoll campground, the Knoll Loop they call it. Here, I'll flip it around here and then we can take a look around. I am in site number 59. There we go. There's the bike and the trailer. I'm going to be heading into town yet to get my groceries and ice and stuff, the final stuff I need to get. But anyways, I already got camp set up. It's a really nice site. I like it. The tent is back there. And of course, and there's the way out there. And it looks like a little bit of firewood. Yeah, I'm gonna have to buy firewood too. But here's my tent where it's set up here, nestled among the trees. And it looks like it's gonna be pretty good color. So this is what Maplewood State Park is basically known for, the colors in the fall. And I think this time I'm gonna get better color, far better color than I did 5 years ago. Because back then, 5 years ago, I was here kind of early. I missed the peak colors, and I think my dad told me that they were saying it's 75% for peak right now. So apparently it's going to be better today than it was 5 years ago when I was here. But anyways, my plan is I'm going to go get my groceries and stuff, the final stuff, to get the firewood and everything. Run into town, and then I come back here, probably have a bite to eat, and then I'm gonna put the cameras on the bike and then just go ride the roads here. They have what they call it, a wilderness drive, I think they call it here. I'm gonna ride that non-stop. I'm gonna do that today, just non-stop, just filming with the bike, with the cameras going. And tomorrow I'll probably do more of the hiking and stuff. I may do, if I have time tonight, this evening, I probably will go on maybe 1 or 2 hikes. We'll just see how the timing is. But today I want to do a lot of riding because today is a really warm day. It's a clear, basically, nice day. It's like like in the 80s today. Tomorrow I saw the forecast could be it's going to be a little bit cooler, like in the 70s, maybe lower 70s. And I think it might have a chance for rain and maybe even thunderstorms. But I haven't looked recently. I should have done that before doing this clip. But anyways, here we go. I'm going to go hop on the bike and head into town, and we'll talk to you after I get back here. So here we go. Okay, obviously I'm back at camp. I just finished up eating too. Just had a couple sandwiches. I'm back from town. I'm all settled in at camp now. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to ride the park drive. They call it the park drive here. I just read that it's about 5 miles long. And right now I'm going to ride it non-stop. And ride over to the Holloway Hill, where the picnic area. I'm going to go up there today for sure, on Holloway Hill. And yeah, that's the 2 things I'm going to do for sure. And then I'll just play it by ear for whatever else. Just depends on how long all that takes. I want to do it today when it's sunny out. Because tomorrow is kind of iffy. But anyways, I'm going to take and finish up drinking my pop here. And then I'll get ready to go on the bike and go for a ride. So, talk to you in a little bit.